Hey guys, welcome back. Before we actually start writing the formulas and the functions and so on, I've developed a sheet for you guys to use to help you visualize what the if function is. When it's written out in one line, it's hard to see how it moves. Okay? Same as mathematics. When people write it in one line, it's hard to see how it goes from the first line to the next line. So, I've prepared this document here. Okay? I'll zoom out a bit so you can see the full thing. All right. So what this will help you do is to visualize the if functions we're going to write. All right. So feel free to print this out. We're going to go through the first one really quickly. You may not understand it completely at this stage, but just to show you how it works. All right. So we start here for the first one. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set the criteria if A is greater than B, or if the fruit is good, like we use in the other example. If the fruit is good, then buy it. Or in this case, if A is greater than B, say goodbye. If A is less than B, in the sense that it's false, then write hello. And what I've also done is I've written that in a description. Okay, so how you would actually say it when it was in a formula, or how you'd explain it. So if A is greater than B, let me get my drawing tool. If A is greater than B, then write goodbye. Otherwise, right, write hello. And then once it's in that phrase, you can travel from here down to the formula we'll be using in Excel. Okay? If A is greater than B, goodbye. Otherwise, hello. All right, so this is a really great tool. Please print it out for our lectures that are coming up for this section, and it will help a lot. And also, feel free to print it out and take it to work. Okay? All right, guys, let me close this. That's it from me on this one. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys for our first lecture coming up next. All right, guys.